In this video, preview ng quarterfinal match ng Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025 at pag-uusapan natin yung kanilang makakalaban, ang Australia. At again, they are the two-time defending champions dito sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. Pag-usapan natin yung naging kampanya nila so far and the players to watch in the game between Gilas Pilipinas against Australia. Again, ako po si Ruben Terrado. I write sports for spin.ph and thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel. And again, let's review yung naging kampanya ng Australia sa group stage ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025. And as expected, they swept the group stage sa Group A to be exact. 3-0 record. And again, tinalo nila itong Korea sa score na 97-61. Almost lopsided yung lahat ng kanilang laro. And they won against Lebanon 93-80. Yun yung pinaka-closest na winning margin na naitala ng Australia. And then they finished the group stage with a 110-82 victory against Qatar. So base lang dito sa naging resulta ng kanilang mga laro ay naging tambakan. And based from that, it's going to be a difficult task for Gilas Pilipinas in this game against Australia. Alam naman natin yung tradition ng Australia sa basketball. They are ranked number 7 in the world currently. So again, it's going to be a difficult game for Gilas Pilipinas as they face itong Australia na tawag din sa kanila ay Boomers. And kamusta ba yung naging laro ng Gilas Pilipinas against Australia in the past, The last time they face each other, of course, sino bang hindi maaalala yung naging brawl sa Philippine Arena last July 2, 2018. Yun po yung naging huling time na nagkaharap ang Gilas at Australia. Australia tinalo ang Philippines sa score na 89-53. Again, controversial yung nangyari. Nagkaroon ng suntukan, nagkaroon ng brawl, players entering the court, multiple players getting ejected. Natapos nga yung laro na kulang-kulang yung mga manlalaro ng Gilas Pilipinas. And again, Australia winning this one in lopsided fashion. Nakaharap din nila ng Australia ang Gilas Pilipinas noong February 22, 2018. Was this was the 2019 FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian Qualifiers, itong dalawang time na nagkaharap ang Gilas at Australia. In that February 22, 2018 game, home court ang Australia and the Boomers won 84-68. So tambak din yung naging resulta ng laro. And Junmar Fajardo had 15 points in that game, and then Andre Blatch hindi ganun ka-effective, only finishing with 8 points and 7 rebounds. So again, based from those results in the past games, ay again, mukhang mahirapan ng Gilas Pilipinas na ma-overcome itong Australia. So, sino nga ba yung mga players to watch for Australia here in their quarterfinal match in the FIBA Asia Cup 2025? So, number 1 dyan si Jalen Galloway, jersey number 9, and he's putting on an excellent performance dito sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025 so far. Kamusta ba ang kanyang credentials? Again, he's a 22-year-old player lang, Batang-bata itong si Jalen Galloway, 6'6 guard, plays for the Sydney Kings, na ang coach ngayon ay si Brian Goorjian, yung dating head coach ng Bay Area Dragons, And gano'n nga ba ka-impressive yung kanyang credentials? He was a former two-way contract player with the Milwaukee Bucks. Played 5 games with the Bucks. But mostly he played dun sa G-League team ng Milwaukee Bucks, yung Wisconsin Herd. So you can definitely say na talagang marquee player itong si Jalen Galloway pagdating sa Asia Cup, with these credentials. Unfortunately, he suffered a shoulder injury during, I believe this was an NBL game, He suffered a shoulder injury in 2024. Matagal siyang nawala, but again, he was able to come back and even played for the Milwaukee Bucks and Wisconsin Herd sa G League last season, So again, he was dealing with a shoulder injury previously, but now he looks okay, no, with the way he's performing dito sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. Matangkad, 6'6" guard, athletic pa, so definitely a tough task to defend Jalen Galloway para sa Gilas Pilipinas in their quarterfinal match. And you can see sa numbers niya sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025, namamayagpag talaga yung kanyang opensa, 18 points per game. And look at the percentage, no? 18 of 24 from the field, napakataas. 10 of 17 from 2-point range, 8 of 11 from threes, and 8 of 11 din, no, pagdating sa foul line. So you can definitely see yung efficiency, no? Bihira magbintes, and high percentage yung kanyang pinapakita so far. So again, Gilas Pilipinas must be on top of their defense, no, against Jalen Galloway in order to have a chance against itong Australia, no. Hindi lang si Jalen Galloway yung talagang aabangan, no, ng Gilas Pilipinas and its fans for this game. Ito rin si Jack McVey has good credentials as well, and also has an NBA G League credentials, no. 28 years old si Jack McVey, 6'7", small forward. He will play for the Cairns Taipans in the Australia NBL. And again, last season, former two-way contract player with the Houston Rockets, played 9 games with the Rockets in the NBA. And again, mostly naglaro siya dun sa kanilang G League team na Rio Grande Valley Vipers, no, last season, no. And again, another good credential, no, part of his resume, itong si Jack McVey, jersey number 17, ay naglaro siya sa Australia Boomers in the 2024 Paris Olympics, no, playing with the likes of yung mga renowned Australian NBA players like sila Patty Mills, yung the rest of them, sila Jack Landale, and even si Dyson Daniels. And Jack McVey was part of that team, no. And hindi siya bangko dito sa Boomers, no. He averaged 9.4 points in the Olympics, and he was the leading 3-point shooter, no, for Australia during the Olympics, no, shooting 10 of 19 from threes during their Olympic campaign where they finished with a 1-3 win-loss record. So hindi biro itong si Jack McVey. He was a rotation player for Australia in the Olympics, no. So, and once again, he was also an NBL Finals MVP with the Tasmania team. So 2024 yan nangyari, no. So good credentials, and you can see yung 3-point shooting niya in the FIBA Asia Cup 2025, pinapakita rin niya rito, averaging 13.7 points and has a 10 of 23 clip, no, from 3-point range. He even made 5 against Korea, no, to open the FIBA Asia Cup 2025 campaign ng Australia. So once again, no, ito rin yung ating titignan, yung 3-point shooting ni Jack McVey sa laro against Gilas Pilipinas. And again, yan din yung dapat depensa ang maigi ng Gilas Pilipinas, yung perimeter game ni Jack McVey. And another player to watch, no, pasensya na, hindi natin napalitan yung picture, but again, William Hickey, jersey number 6, no, 6'4" forward for the Illawarra Hawks in Australia, no. So again, no, my mistake, no, pasensya na, hindi po yan si William Hickey, but again, a good player as well, no, jersey number 6 po siya, 26-year-old, 6'4" forward for the Illawarra Hawks. Doon siya naglalaro. And recently, he played for the Chicago Bulls, no, in the 2025 NBA Summer League. And nag-champion din siya sa NBL Australia while playing for the Illawarra Hawks. Teammate siya ni Matthew Della Vedova ng former NBA player. Teammate niya nga si Deli, no, for the Illawarra Hawks, no. Kaka-champion lang nila sa NBL. Maganda rin yung kanyang pinakita. And itong si William Hickey, during his NBL campaign with the Hawks, no, an all-around player, across the board yung kanyang nako-contribute, and he has shown that here dito sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. averaging 10 points per game, 4.3 rebounds, 6 assists, and 1 steal. So yan din yung dapat makontain ng Gilas Pilipinas, si William Hickey, another player to watch para sa Australia Boomers, no. And a player na may be familiar to Philippine basketball, itong si Xavier Cooks, no, 29 years old, 6'8" forward, also plays for Brian Gordian sa Sydney Kings sa Australia, and a one-time NBA player, played 10 games with the Washington Wizards in 2023. And prior to that, he was the MVP ng NBL Australia during the 2022-23 season. He was also the Finals MVP that year when the Sydney Kings won the championship sa NBL. And after that, he was an EASL champion, no? In 2024. Naglaro yan sa Lapu-Lapu City when the EASL Final Four was held, with the Chiba Jets winning the championship sa EASL. Nilaro po yan sa Lapu-Lapu City. So maybe some of you, no, familiar na kay Xavier Cooks, no, dahil nga nakapaglaro na yan sa Pilipinas during the East Asia Super League. And for the FIBA Asia Cup 2023, 10 points, 4.3 rebounds, 6 assists, and 1 steal, no. All around effort din tong si Xavier Cooks, no, dito sa Australia, no. You can do it all also, itong si Xavier Cooks, no. And then the rest of the lineup for the Boomers, no. Itong si Harry Wessels, 7'1" center yan, no, ng Australia. So again, mahirapang bantayan. In terms of fight, talagang itong si Wessels ay mangingibabaw against our bigs of Junmar Fajardo, Chapet Aguilar, and AJ Edo. They must do a better job, no, on defending tong mga bigs ng Australia. That includes Harry Wessels. Kung nahirapan sila against Saudi Arabia, baka mas mahirapan sila against Australia with the Wessels. And ito rin si Will Magnay, a 6'10" player, yung jersey number 22, isa rin sa mga tall players ng Boomers. Rain Smith, point guard, naglaro yan sa NCAA last season. Dash Daniels, only 17 years old, kapatid ni Dyson Daniels to, no, na naglalaro sa NBA. And again, ito na nga, na-mention natin si William Hickey, jersey number 6. Also there is Owen Foxwell, Joshua Banan, Jack White, itong si Ben Henschel, he can also shoot the threes. And then si Will Magnay nga, the center for the Boomers. So again, that's the rest of the lineup ng Australia. A lot of talent, and definitely talagang yung Gilas Pilipinas will have their hands full as they play Australia sa quarterfinals, no? And again, kung di nyo pa alam, the Philippines-Australia game medyo mas maaga ngayon, no, kumpara dun sa mga past games. Mapapanood natin ng Gilas Pilipinas at 7 p.m. para sa ating mga viewers dito sa Pilipinas. 7 p.m. Wednesday, August 13, yung laro ng Gilas kontra Australia. Sa Jeddah naman, hapon yung game, no. 2 p.m. Wednesday, August 13 sa Jeddah, no. Sa ano naman yan, sa King Abdullah Sports City, yung main venue ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025. So yan na po yung ating preview ng quarterfinals match between Gilas Pilipinas against Australia. Some players to watch para sa kapunan ng Australia. Anong tingin nyo sa magiging laro ng Gilas kontra Australia after that classic win against Saudi Arabia? Anong tingin nyo? Ano ang mangyayari sa larong ito between Gilas Pilipinas and Australia? Can Gilas pull off an upset over the Boomers? Comment down below, and we will read that, no? At alamin natin kung ano ang pulso ninyo sa magiging laro ng Gilas laban sa Australia. Okay, that ends our video. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I'm Ruben Terrado, and we will see you next time.